Choose popularity. Choose likes and thumbs up. Choose hashtags. Choose icons on Instagram. Choose buying a better camera. Choose filters and then some more filters. Choose the sharpest Zeiss lens. Choose top 10 tips videos. Choose the lowest common denominator. Choose popularity. But why would I choose to do a thing like that? I choose not to choose popularity. Choose photography. Choose talking about your feelings. Choose luminosity. Choose contrast. Choose atmosphere. Choose emotions. Choose moods and meaning. Choose personal development. Choose a unique voice. Choose you. Choose life. Choose expressive photography.